Chimero Agrovet and Farms Limited is a poultry outfit that engages into production of the old chicks. We're also involved in the distribution of poultry medicine, vaccines, agro-allied products generally, poultry equipment, and we also render hatchery services.
We incubate hatchable eggs, and after 21 days for chicken, it produces a day-old chick. So that's what we do basically in Chimero Hatchery. We have facilities that can incubate fowl, we have facilities that can incubate turkeys and some other poultry beds.
Biosecurity generally is those processes we put in place to ensure that infective organisms are not transferred. Those measures we put in place to make sure that organisms like virus, like bacteria, like fungi are not transferred to the farm from other places.
What we try to do is we use different types of disinfectants. What class disinfectants?
We use a balanced mixture of different classes of ordinary ammonia that can take care of any form of infection, whether bacteria or viral or fungal.
We have some that are imported, produced by Compact here in Nigeria. We have the CID line disinfectant that is all the way from Belgium. So we use all these things together. Even with that, we try as much as possible to limit the microbial load in our hatchery.
Individuals coming to the farm must get a permit at our reception, and after that, at the entry to the farm, they must first of all put their leg in the food dip. They have to take their bath, and then they are given the farm apron, the farm overall, before they are allowed to go into the farm. There's also a tire bath that allow all the tires of the vehicle to roll through concentrated solution of disinfectant. So all this helps us to ensure that no vehicle or individual coming to the farm are carrying infection that can be transferred to the farm.
Our farm is located at the outskirts of the city of Ibadan, whereby there is little or no human or vehicular movement. Because human being can be a source, can transmit this kind of diseases that might affect the health of the pets. So our farms are located in a place that is far away from the city, whereby there won't be obstructions, there won't be human being interfering with the environment there. And the environment our farms are located is very, very serene. We select where we have our farms
because we want to produce a world-class quality chicks that you can conveniently say that they are almost free of microorganisms. So, and also we want to also avoid unnecessary losses in the farm. The principle is to make sure that we are the best.
So in Chimero Agrovet and Farms, which is located here in Ibadan, the hatchery part, we are one of the leading hatchery in Ibadan and in Nigeria. We have a capacity of producing 270,000 chicks per week. And hardly will you find any hatchery that can do that now. And we still have plans to expand. Our incubators are top-notch. We use Chickmaster incubator, which is the best incubator you can ever find in the world. And they are industrial incubators, which it has a lot of facilities that makes it to work better than any other machine. The electrical components are superb, and we also run a very close relationship with the producers of these machines. So whenever there is a problem, we can easily deal with those problems, even ourselves. And if we cannot, we have spare machines that can also work during emergencies. So our machine is one of the best in the world.
Chimero is a place you can rely on. You can rely on our product, you can rely on our services, because we believe in best practices in terms of poultry production. We believe in best practices, and we have already put in the necessary technology. You can be sure to have the best of products and services when you are dealing with Chimero, Agrovet and Farms. The vision of Chimero, Agrovet and Farms is to be the best or among the leading companies in the agricultural sector in terms of production of day-old chicks, in terms of meeting the meat needs of the whole world.
And that's what you can get from Chimero.